Hi, what's up you guys? It's your boy, Justin Passetti, back again with another episode of Breaking Down the Game of Volleyball, episode 5. Really looking forward to making another episode here, and just a friendly reminder, if you haven't checked it out, definitely check out my Patreon page. Like I mentioned in episode 4, I am not uploading all the games that I'm playing all in one go. I'm trying something a little different with the YouTube algorithm, but if you cannot wait and look for all the highlights that you have, definitely check out on my Patreon page, down in the link in the description below. But I will be posting each game daily, so there's going to be one game a day around 12:30 p.m. Chicago time. So there definitely will be games that are being posted, but if you really want to check them out as soon as they are out, definitely check me out on my Patreon page. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. I post a lot more on Instagram in regards to all my YouTube videos, so definitely check me out there. And also, if you don't mind, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out my YouTube channel, puts my YouTube videos out there, and it also helps you find content that you would like to see in the near future. But now let's get on with this video. Oh, nice serve. Is that up? Oh, it's in. Nice pass. Shoot, that was my bad. Forcing that a little too tight. It's like the Royce passing. Royce serving. Nice pass. Nice swing. Oh, that was out. That was out. Alright, take a pause right there. So yeah, when it comes to serving, it depends on what kind of setting you're playing in. I know in high school, I believe it's 5 seconds before the referee will call you for taking too long. But the cool thing in high school is that you do have, let me think, a retoss. So you have the 5 seconds to serve, and if you don't like that serve, or if you feel like you're taking a little too long, just toss the ball up, let it hit the floor, do not touch it, and you'll get a retoss. But if you're playing club volleyball, I also think it may depend on where you're playing, but you get one serve only, no retoss, but you have 8 seconds to serve the ball. So you have a couple more seconds, but there is no retoss. So if you're a jump server, that may, you got to take your time and get a good toss up, and then you'll be able to get a good serve. So definitely take your time with serving. Alright. Oh, nice swing. Oh, nice swing, nice swing, nice swing. Oh, nice placement. I'm gonna go back on that one. I'm gonna go a couple seconds back. Let's see if I can do it. Here we go, here we go. Cool. So here, when you're playing defense, you always want to stay in the open of where the ball could potentially go. So as you can tell, more realistically, middle back, you're just going to probably get the deep ball if it's a high deep ball. If you're playing right back, you're probably going to get that line shot. And then if you're playing left back, you're going to get that cross shot based on this outside hit. So you always want to stay in those openings. Do not stay behind the block. The only exception really is that potential middle passer. Sometimes you kind of get caught there, so that kind of happens, so you have that deep responsibility. But if you're playing those wing spots, definitely try to stay in those open areas where the block is not there. So just to put into more specifics, if I'm blocking over here, the position of where this guy should be is over here, because that's where the ball is going to be able to enter through to our side of the net. And then same thing over here, if this is the line shot, you do want to stay in that open side, so then you'll be able to have a clear area and then sight of the ball. Oh wow, nice up. Oh wow. Nice. Oh, a little too tight. I'm playing back row, I can't block. Oh yeah, we like that. That looked good. Oh, I'm gonna go back to that one. Alright, so here, when you have a tight ball situation, there's no blockers, and you basically almost have like, it's almost a guaranteed kill, but the thing is, where most people kind of like ruin it, or like, you know, they kind of like mishit it, is that they should still take a little bit of an approach or like a power step. So when you do your left, right, left, if you're a righty, so when I'm talking about left or left, I'm talking about your approach. So your left foot should take that first small initial step, take that long stride with that right one to plant it, and then take that other left foot. So then you'll be able to have that momentum, swinging arms back, pull up, and then swing down. Otherwise, you're just straight up, is just your pure vertical. So if you have a solid vertical, go for it. But then you kind of don't really have that momentum, that force of downballing that hit. So realistically, when you have a tight ball situation that's coming over and then you have a potential to hit that ball down, definitely take a couple steps back, take that an approach, and then you'll be able to have a more solid swing on the ball. Oh, that was a oh, yeah, I guess that was okay. Oh, touches. Oh, a little too high. Free ball. Let's run this, run this, run this. Nice. Free ball, get it over. There you go. Out. Nice serve. Ooh. Oh, it's alright. Oh, dang, a little early, I think. Oh, it's a nice one. That's all. Yeah, I'm gonna take a quick pause here. Actually, no, I'm gonna let this because I think that was the last point. Yeah, it's the last point. All right, so as you can tell, well, you don't really see the score, but I was serving that same person over and over again, just cause like you definitely want to get that person who's, you know, kind of probably tired out. Manny, I know, is playing outside, so he's jumping and moving around a lot. So and then he jump serves also, so it kind of like puts a lot of energy, you know, you're putting into the hitting the ball. So then you, as the game progresses, it definitely has a wear and tear on you. So that's why I always try to pick a person when at least we're trying to play catch up find that person you want to continuously serve at, because it makes the other team have to force a certain plays, or it has to be a free ball situation. So then it gives us an opportunity on the receiving end to have a higher chance of having or earning that point. So as you can tell, I probably think we just served, maybe I served like 3 points right there. So it definitely changes the momentum when you're able to target an individual. I know it sounds kind of weird targeting, but yeah, that's what you really are. You're focusing on a certain player where you can have the most chances of earning back points, especially since for him, outsides, they're always hitting, jumping, and blocking, and also passing. So you are doing all the aspects of the game. So that's why, like, I think the stereotype is outsides never really pass, which is kind of funny once in a while. But you know, that's what it is. But that's why I kind of always focus on an outside hitter, because they are most likely the ones that are probably going to be passing in, but they're also the ones jumping in, blocking also. But yeah, I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video of breaking down the game of volleyball episode 5. Definitely look down below for my Patreon page if you really are looking forward to all the games that are posted all at the same time. And also don't forget to please hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help out my YouTube channel, puts my YouTube videos out there, and also helps you find content that you would like to see in the near future. And also don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, all at Justin Passetti. I post a lot more on Instagram in regards to all my videos like I mentioned earlier, but I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. It's your boy Justin Passetti, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.